Welcome to Forex Bluna Hub, and we are going to analyze the market for the next Monday to Friday. Okay, as you can see there, market is on buy trend and market is trying to go up undoubtedly, and it is almost 2622. Okay, as you can see there, I just selected day one time frame, and my market is on buy trend because of US dollar, that means United States dollar, getting weaker day by day. That's why gold is getting upper day by day. Okay, there is a lot of sentiment, and US election coming within 2 months. That's why there is a major sentimental or fundamental theory or thing working on the market. That's why market is trying to go up. If we select H4 time frame, as you can see there, our last resistance zone around that area, and it just broke up, and again it's just trying to go out with a proper pattern. Okay, and for now, if we select H1 time frame, that means 1 hour time frame, as you can see there, we was in last week, we was with we was with 1 2 3 support zone or resistance zone, and they broke all of them and trying to go up. Okay, and market is all time high now. It's around 2622 to 2623 or 302630. Okay, so what we can do for the next week, or what we can do for Monday? Okay, so let's select M13, that means a smaller time frame, because Monday's marking mostly moves slow. That's why we have to focus on lower time frame. Okay, so if we zoom out little bit more, as you can see that if we draw a trend line, let me draw it around that area. Okay, if I want to draw another trend line around that area. Okay, if market go up from that area, so we need to draw another upper trend over here. Maybe it's that market can be followed that channel. Okay, as you can see there, it can be follow that channel, or if it give us a sell confirmation around that area, so we can take a sell around that, from that area to that area. Okay, that line. Okay, I mean that line to that line. Okay, near around 100 or 120 pips. So current market working fully on fundamental, that means based on news. That's why we have to focus on fundamental news. That means we have Monday to Friday, each and every day we have USD news, so we will focus on USD news. And for buyer or seller, if you want to buy, you can buy, or if you want to sell, you can sell, but you have to follow proper money management. Okay, money management. Okay, money management, you have to follow proper money management, because market is out of technical analysis currently. So we have to wait till proper channel or proper support and resistance, then we have to take entry, and we have to set our SL firstly, then we can sell our set our TP. Okay, so there is one important thing, that is we have to manage our risks properly. And if we want to take any entry in this market condition or in this market situation, we have to put our SL must. Okay, because in weekly or monthly time frame, if we select weekly time frame, as you can see there, from previous chart history, market is almost on upper trend. Okay, if we drop, it can drop around 7,000 pips. If something happened with US dollar, that means some major thing, or something happened like majorly, it can drop 7,000 pips, so it can easily blow or wash your account within a minute, or within an hour, or within 10 minutes. So you have to manage your risks, or you have to put your SL properly in this situation. I repeat again, market working with fundamental factors currently. Okay, so there is 30% technical analysis and 70% fundamental analysis. So you have to focus mostly on fundamental analysis, and for 30% you can focus on technical analysis. Okay, so each and every time you have to manage your risk properly, and you have to put proper SL on proper channel or proper trade. Okay, so we will update on market days each and every moment, each and every hour. So if you update or stay connected with us on Telegram, you will get full update from our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel link is t.me/fxbillionhub, or if you especially seeing this video, watching this video from YouTube, you may get the Telegram channel link on video description. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.